Yesterday I was showing you how to use an infer search to look for all the direct or indirect allusions to the New Testament and the Didache. Today I just want to show you that you can do this with any two texts. We could use the Hebrew Bible and the Dead Sea Scrolls, for instance, and you don't have to run it on the entire corpus. You don't have to do the whole Old Testament or whole New Testament. If you want to search for how the wording of a particular verse, the language of a particular verse, might be echoed throughout another corpus, you can do that. Maybe find specific allusions to one verse. So we're just going to limit this search instead of the whole Hebrew Bible to Isaiah 8:11. Switch to words and run a search for all the words in that verse. Open up our Dead Sea Scrolls, non-biblical Dead Sea Scrolls, and then we'll run an infer search. By default, it looks for 6-word strings with maybe one word that's different intervening, and this found the two really important hits, 4Q174 and 11Q13. In these passages, Isaiah 8:11 is actually cited, though the citation is not extant. Some of the wording of the verse is there in the lead up to the citation. So that's what it caught. Those are really important. If we want to back up and get a bigger picture, we could turn that down to 5-word strings, and then we're picking up on some of the first words in the verse. Or we could go back to 4, and we're still getting relevant results with these ideas of walking in the way of the wicked, which we see here, walking in the way of this people, which is in that verse, a wicked people. If you go back to 3, it's not going to be as helpful in the way. Those probably won't be quite as relevant.